Welcome to Smart Caregiver's battery installation and activation of the 433 EXT door window exit alert for programming with 433 CMU or 433 EC monitors. To program the 433 EXT to your monitor, you must begin by installing batteries into the unit. Begin with a small flathead screwdriver and insert it into the slots in the back of the 433 EXT. Gently remove the back. Once open, you can then install the included battery. Replace the back of the 433 EXT, and if the exit alert has a switch, turn that switch to the on position. Place the two parts of the 433 EXT so that the arrows of either piece are touching. To activate the 433 EXT for programming, simply remove the two pieces apart from each other. Wait 2 seconds and then realign the two parts so the arrows are touching again. Always test after to ensure proper programming. For more information on available products, please find us at smartcaregiver.com or call us at 800-650-3637.